Hi students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to add and subtract mixed numbers. I hope you are familiar with mixed number. This is a mixed number, a whole number and a proper fraction combined together is called a mixed number. So I am going to explain how to add and subtract mixed number with same denominator and with different denominator too. Easy way of doing is converting them into improper fraction. Same denominator. So when you convert them into improper fraction, then it will be like a normal addition and subtraction using the basic rules. Now, I hope you remember the method how to convert mixed number to improper. We need to multiply these two, add the result with the top number. So, multiply 3 and 4 to get 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So, which gives you 13 over 4. Plus, now multiply these two, add the result with the top number, which is giving you 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 over 4. As the denominator same, we simply add the numerators, keep the same denominator, add 13 plus 11 to get 24. Now this is completely divisible. We are getting the final number, final answer has the whole number because 4 6 are 24. This is the final answer. So we added two mixed numbers with same denominator. We convert to two improper fraction, added them as usual. As the denominator same, we added the top numbers alone. And when it is divisible, completely divisible, we are getting the whole number as the answer. Otherwise, it will be a mixed number if it is not completely divisible. Let's do some more examples. This is with different denominators. Same method, convert them to improper first. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 over 2. Convert the other mixed number to improper. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23 over 4. But here, as they are with different denominators, we need to make some rearrangement. We need to find the equivalent fraction of the first fraction with denominator 4. What should we do for that? We need to multiply by 2 and 2 so that we will get 4 in the bottom. Now multiply 19 and 2 to get 38. Multiply 2 and 2 to get 4. And the other fraction is 23 by 4. Now, as the denominator same now, simply add the numerators. 38 plus 23 is giving us 61. But don't stop it here. This is not the final answer. Convert this improper fraction because the top number is greater. Convert to mixed number and leave that as the final answer. Now, I hope you remember how to convert improper to mixed number the other way around. Divide, use the normal division method. 1 4s are 4. Take away 6 minus 4, 2. Bring down the 1, 21. Now how many 4s in 21? 5 4s obviously. 5 4s are 20. Take away. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. We know the format. Quotient, remainder and divisor. Quotient is 15. Remainder is 1 and divisor same divisor. 15 and 1/4. This is the final answer. So this time we added two mixed fractions or mixed numbers with different denominators. As usual, convert them to improper first and then make them with the same denominator by doing some multiplication. Doing some operations. Okay. Now I'll show you subtraction also. This is 9 1 by 3 to 1 by 3. First step, convert them to improper. Multiply these two. Add the result with the top. Multiply 9 and 3 to get 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. 28 over 3. Now, multiply 3 and 2 to get 6. Add with 2. Let me move the cursor. Now, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 divided by 3. Take away the top numbers because the denominators are already the same. No need to do anything. Simply subtract the top numbers. Now what is 28 minus 8? 20. Again, this is an improper. Convert that to mixed number. 3 6 are 18. 2 is the remainder. Quotient, remainder. So quotient comes first. Remainder on top. Divisor in the bottom. Now if you want whether you converted that correctly, you can do this in mind. Convert this mixed number to improper again. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. That is what there. So we converted them correctly. This is the subtraction with same denominator. I would like to show you one more example of subtraction with different denominators. See, mixed number subtraction, different denominator, convert to mixed number, mixed number to improper, multiply and add. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Convert the other one, same manner. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2. Now, are the denominators same? No. So, I need to find out the equivalent fraction of the second fraction by doing some operation. Here again, it can be multiplication by 2. So that I'll get 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Now the denominators are same. Simply take away the top numbers. 15 take away 6 will give you 9. 9 over 4. This is again improper. Convert this to mixed number. 2 4s are 8. Take away 1 is the remainder. Quotient, remainder. So the final answer, quotient, remainder on top, same divisor 4. Again you can check. Do it in mind. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we converted correctly. This is the final answer. So this is easy method whenever you want to add or subtract mixed fractions or mixed numbers. I hope you understood each and every example we discussed today and hope it was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, students. Like, comment and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.